Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing a fundamental Excel skill, the best ways to copy a formula down a column or across a row. I'm your name/hostname, and in this video, we'll cover several methods for quickly and accurately replicating your formulas, saving you tons of time and frustration. We'll be looking at using the fill handle, double-clicking, keyboard shortcuts, and even Excel tables. Before we dive in, if you're finding this content helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the Rome Tech channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Alright, let's get started. Screen shows an Excel sheet with sample data and a single formula in a cell. Okay, so here we have some sample data, let's say product names and their sales numbers. We've calculated the commission for the first product in cell reference. Now we need to apply this same formula to the rest of the products. Method 1, the fill handle. The most common and probably the easiest way is using the fill handle. You see that little square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell? That's the fill handle. Simply click and drag it down the column to the last row of your data. Boom! The formula is copied down and automatically adjusted for each row. See how the cell references change? That's Excel doing its magic. Screen shows demonstrating the fill handle. This works great for contiguous data, meaning data without any blank rows. If you have blank rows, the fill handle will stop there. But don't worry, we have other options. Method 2, double-clicking the fill handle. Here's a super fast trick. Let's say you have a long list of data. Instead of dragging the fill handle all the way down, just double-click it. Excel will automatically fill the formula down to the last row that has data in the adjacent column.
Super convenient, right?
Screen shows demonstrating double-clicking the fill handle. This is my personal favorite for large datasets. Again, this only works if you have data in an adjacent column. Method 3, keyboard shortcuts. For those keyboard shortcut enthusiasts out there, we have a solution for you too. First, select the cell with the formula. Then, select the range where you want to copy the formula. You can do this by clicking and dragging, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow, CMD plus Shift plus down arrow on Mac. Screen shows selecting the range with the keyboard shortcut. Once the range is selected, press Ctrl plus D, CMD plus D on Mac, to fill down. That's it. The formula is copied to all the selected cells. Screen shows demonstrating Ctrl plus D or CMD plus D. This method is especially useful when you need to copy the formula to a specific, non-contiguous range. Method 4, Excel tables. Now, let's talk about Excel tables. If you're not already using tables, you're missing out. They're super powerful. To create a table, select your data, go to Insert, and click Table. Make sure My Table Has Headers is checked, and click OK. Screen shows creating an Excel table. Now when you enter a formula in the first row of a column within a table, and press Enter, Excel automatically fills the formula down the entire column. This is incredibly efficient and also ensures consistency. Screen shows entering a formula in a table column. Plus, tables have other great features like automatic filtering and sorting. Definitely worth exploring. Recap and conclusion. So there you have it, 4 different ways to copy a formula down a column or across a row in Excel. We covered the fill handle, double-clicking, keyboard shortcuts, and Excel tables. Each method has its own advantages, so choose the one that works best for your specific situation. Screen shows all methods briefly again. I hope this video was helpful. If you learned something new, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more Excel tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments which method you prefer or if you have any other Excel questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. End screen with social media links and subscribe button.